Hello guys, today I will show you how to get modded games. So this start. First of all we have to search Android mod games. Then click in the first one. Then click in this link. This will appear. In this site we can get links and download the mods of games, famous games like FIFA 16 and many more. Plants vs Zombies to FIFA 16, Football Manager 2017, FIFA 16, many games. From this link you can get easily download the mods and play. This site is free from viruses. You can also get this link from my video, link in description. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Bye guys.